in 117, makes his best pass of the day. He's going to in between classes, so if you still like to make time runs, if you're out of competition, you're more than running him down quickly. And 7:18 on a 7:27 dial-in. 2004. Yost with a 980 dial. Gonna get the lead first. Pretty close on the tree. We'll see if Thomas can run him down. Yeah, he does. 7:57 at 90 miles an hour. Yost fell off a little bit there. 10:05 at 66. Oh, and Hoover with a double 04 reaction time. Nelson, respectable 085. We'll see if Hoover can put it together on the other end. No, can't. Breaks out 793 on it. Waiting on Rice to move in. There he goes. Harnish with an 079 reaction time. Cameron 311, a little late there, but we'll see what happens at the other end. Harnish takes care of business. 10:57 at 70 miles an hour. Nelson. Maduli with the 1050 dial, and Josh Feltner. Here comes Feltner. Charging hard. Not gonna get there. A big head start, 1035 dial. Zach's gonna roll some coal. Run him down. And he does so. One over the dial, 7. Joe turns it red. Way red. Jacob rolling on. Around number 4. To the next round, gorgeous 037 reaction time. Closer to trip zips you are, the better you are. 037 is pretty good. Get the run into the next round. 10 flat at 57. Both drivers are in. Nelson's away. Here comes Thompson. Here we go. We got a drag race. 029 reaction time for Nelson. 023 for Thomas. Is anybody's race head to the other end? Gonna beat Thomas. 7:58 at 92 miles an hour.